Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file type and your ownership. This matters because protection differs by format. Once done, try opening the workbook in Excel and use file info to see protection status. Make a backup copy immediately and then attempt file open and repair to fix corruption. If a sheet is locked but the file opens, copy visible sheets into a new workbook to preserve data. This gets you moving while minimizing risk to the original file. Now you dive into the detailed execution, if the file is legacy. XLS, save a copy and run a trusted VBA routine designed to remove sheet protection. This works because older protection was weaker. For XLSX or XLSM, make another duplicate and change the extension to zip, then inspect Workbook XML to identify protection nodes, remove them with care and rezip. Make sure to disable macros and use protected view while testing. This prevents finish by trying professional recovery tools only after backups and manual attempts fail. Reputable utilities can brute force or use dictionaries, but they take time and may cost money. Once done, validate every worksheet and formula, then save a clean, unprotected copy for future use and enable a secure password manager. If you encounter an AES encrypted file or persistent corruption, make sure to consult original backups or cloud history, because without the correct password, some modern encryption cannot be bypassed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.